Hi everyone. We will measure angle of any triangle using a triangle or anything using what? Degree. But somewhere we heard about radian. What it is radian? What is the relation between degree and radian? In most cases in trigonometry we use radian measurement. Why we need to use radian measurement? Is there any relation between degree and radian? Can we convert a degree measurement to a radian measurement? Can we? Yes, of course we can convert a degree measurement to a radian measurement and a radian inverse to the degree measurement. If you don't know all these things, I will teach you. Come to Webtorial Simplified Your Learning and we are going to learn about degree and radian measurements. Okay. Therefore, this is a circle with radius r and center c. For a circle, its circumference is equal to c is equal to, we know that 2 pi r, isn't it? The measure of one complete revolution, that is the measurement of outermost surface of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Then what is a radian? A radian is the angle subtended by an arc length of 1 unit at center of a unit circle. Therefore, this is, suppose this is arc length of 1 unit. 1 unit. It subtends an angle of 1 radian at center. Okay, it will subtend an angle of 1 radian at center. So this is unit circle, isn't it? In unit circle, therefore r will be 1. If r is equal to 1, that is unit circle, then c will be what? Circumference will be 2 pi into 1, that is equal to 2 pi units, isn't it? 2 pi units. Therefore angle of 1 unit make 1 radian at center. Then arc length of 2 pi units will make 2 pi radian at the center. Therefore, one revolution it subtends how much angle? 2 pi radian at the center. An arc length of 2 pi units will subtend an angle of 2 pi radian at the center of a unit circle. We know that for one revolution it makes how much degrees of angles? 360 degree, isn't it? 360 degree at the center. How it makes 360 degree? We know that if the arc moves up to here, it makes 90 degree here, and from here to here it makes 90 degree, and 90 degree here also. When it reaches on the same position, it will make another 90 degree. So the total will be 360 degree. Okay. So 360 will be equal to what? 2 pi. Because both makes same angle. One in degree and other in 2 pi. Okay. Sorry, in radians. So 360 degree will be equal to 2 pi radian. Then what will be 1 degree? 1 degree means we get after dividing 360 by 360. Here also we want to divide 2 pi by 360. Okay. So we get what? This 2 and this 360 will be cancelled. We get pi by 180 radian. Okay. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Don't forget 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Then what will be 30 degree? 30 degree we want to, here we multiply with 30. Here also we want to multiply with 30. Then pi by 180 into 30. What will be the answer? 30 and 180 will be cancelled. We get pi by 6. So 30 degree is equal to pi by 6 radian. Now 45 degree. 45 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 45. This 180 and 45 get cancelled. Here we get 4. That is equal to pi by 4. Now what is 60 degree? 60 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 60. The 60 and 180 get cancelled. Here we get 3, then pi by 3 radian. Now what will be 90 degree? Pi by 180 into 90. Here it get cancelled and get 2, pi by 2. Okay, now 180 degree. Pi by 180 into 180. What will be the answer? Pi. Okay, therefore 30 degree is equal to pi by 6 radian, 60 degree is equal to pi by 3, 90 is equal to pi by 2, 45 is equal to pi by 4 and 180 degree is equal to pi. So hereafter when you hear 30 degree, you should also know how to convert this 30 degree into radian measurement. Easy. Therefore now we will convert radians into degree. So 2 pi radian is equal to what? 360 degree. Sorry, 360 degree. Then 1 radian is equal to, we divided by 2 pi. Here also then we want to divide with 2 pi. This 2 and 360 get cancelled. Here we get 180 and 180 by pi. Therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Okay, then so now we will find out, we can check whether we get same degree measurement. Okay, we know that pi by 6 is equal to what? 30 degree. We can check it here. Pi by 60 is equal to how much degree? Pi by 6 into 180 by pi. Pi get cancelled, 6, 30 we get. Okay, 30 degree, isn't it? 30 here we get, that is equal to 30 degree. Pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree. Now pi by 4. Pi by 4 is equal to how much degree? Pi by 4 into 180 by pi. Pi get cancelled. 180, 4 and 180 we get 45 degree. Got it? 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian and 1 radian reverse. 180 by pi degree. Okay, degree. Okay, this is degree measure. Okay, so don't forget, you should know the basic of this equation, then you can find out any degree, or you can convert any degree into radian and radian into degree.